In today's video, I want to share with you why I don't use companies like Printful, Printify, or Etsy for my own print-on-demand business and what I actually use instead. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these companies are great at helping people realize their dreams of starting a business, but they do have three major flaws that can honestly extremely handicap your business, or even worse, make you shut your business down entirely. So the very first major flaw that I want to share with you is that these companies really eat into your profit. And I remember like it was yesterday, I had sold my first 10 shirts and I had made something like $300 and you couldn't tell me anything. I was completely over the moon. But that feeling completely turned into confusion when I looked at my bank account and I realized I actually hadn't made a single cent and I was honestly in the negative. And there's something about losing money when you thought you made money that really turns you into Sherlock Holmes. And so what I did was I looked into my Printful account and really started to analyze how much Printful was charging me for making the shirts, for printing, and I started to look at how much these shirts actually cost. And I realized that they were overcharging me on practically everything. They were overcharging me and upcharging me on the blanks. They were upcharging on the actual prints. Like they were charging a digitalization fee for every new garment that was sold with that actual artwork. There were so many fees, and when you added in marketing costs and platform costs to host my website, I hadn't made a single cent. I was in the negative. So this is one of the things that you really have to take a look at when you are using these companies, because when you factor in all the things that comes into running a successful business, Printful, Printify, these companies make it really, really hard to actually make any real money, and your business is really, really gonna struggle to grow, or you're just gonna be so demotivated that you're not gonna even wanna run this business in the first place. So the second major flaw that I wanna share with you is the limited control that you have over the quality of your product and the fulfillment process. And that is one thing that I really try to pride myself on with my own brand, is making sure that every product is consistent and well made. And unfortunately, when I try to use Printful, I didn't really get that experience. I had samples made, and one batch of samples would be good. The other batch of samples, the print wouldn't be correct, or it wouldn't be shipped on the right blank. Like I had a lot of issues with Printful, unfortunately. And I will say they have great customer service. I did talk to somebody through customer service and they assured me that, they would fix the issues on the back end. Once I started shipping out, my product, my customers weren't very happy with the quality. They weren't very happy with the print. And ultimately, I had to move to, what I'm using now. And then also when it comes to the fulfillment process, when it comes to print on demand, it takes a long time in general. Most of the time it takes 5 to 10 business days. And, if you're having misprints or the quality isn't where it needs to be, you're just going to have even more disgruntled customers and people charging back. And it just becomes a very, very big headache. And so you want to work with a company that you can really depend on and know that it's going to deliver 99.99% of the time and you don't have to worry about it. But unfortunately, I just don't think right now these print-on-demand companies are where it needs to be, at least for people that aren't selling high volume. I'm sure they treat their high volume business customers better than people that are starting out. Unfortunately, that's just the world we live in. But I think if you're just lay person starting, t-shirt business and you don't have the volume yet, they're probably not going to take you as seriously as somebody that is doing high volume. And I really think that's really a misstep on them. So the third major flaw that I have with these print-on-demand companies is really how limited your customization options are. The garment selections that you have with these companies isn't the greatest. I know they've tried to expand over the years, but you have very limited blank options. You really don't have a lot of customization when it comes to printing styles, right, and design choices. And so honestly, these companies are really, really great if you have very, very, I would say, basic and straightforward designs. But if you have unique or creative prints and designs, print-on-demand companies are not going to be for you. And when you do try to go outside of the box and try to use more, I would say, design zones. So if you try to do a print on the front, the back of your shirt, the sleeves, right? It's going to be so expensive to get that shirt made that it's really not going to be worth it, in the end, because your margins are going to be slim to none, or you're going to have to charge so much for the shirt that it's honestly going to be very, very hard for you to sell, right? And so if you're really trying to make something that is unique and stands out, I don't recommend using these print-on-demand companies at all. Okay, so now that I've shared with you what the three major flaws are with these print-on-demand companies, now I want to share with you what I actually use instead, and that is a local print shop. Now, if I'm being honest, there are so many benefits to using a local print shop, but I'm gonna break down a few of them right now. And the first one being the ability to have direct communication with your account manager and to be able to walk into a physical location and talk to somebody about your brand. And if I have any issues at all, I have somebody that I can talk to that can rectify the issue, and I can get a garment replaced in a day or two, and either they can ship it out or they can hand it to me and I can ship it out. Like, I can see my product in hand and look at it before it goes out if I like. And so having that level of communication and being able to really touch your product beforehand and see it before it's shipped out is really, really valuable, especially as you start to scale, right? Now, I've got to the point with this with my local print shop to where I trust them now. I know their quality is A1. They might make a misprint here or there, but they always rectify it. It's not a problem, okay? And so having that touch base point and having that relationship and rapport is completely invaluable. The second thing is that pricing. Now, I'm lucky enough to where my print shop doesn't like OD and try to like hit me over the head for printing. They do a very, very good job at being fair. They really just, charge me for the print itself, and they're even fair with the printing costs, right? And they don't overcharge me for my blanks or anything like that. They charge me exactly the wholesale price that you would get on like Alpha Broder or any of these wholesale fulfillment companies or wholesale websites, right? And so they do a really good job at being fair with pricing. And so that's a really, really big benefit of working with a local print shop. And then also too, when it comes to your garments, your local print shop can do really whatever you want. You can customize your product if you want. They offer puff print. They offer, distress embroidery. They offer pretty much anything I can ask for. And if I want a sample made, they have a very, very quick turnaround. So all the negatives that you get with a major print on demand company, you don't have that if you work with a local print shop. Now, I will say finding a good local print shop may be hard, and a lot of them don't really offer print on demand services. So you do have to really just Google search local print shops in your area and just talk to them and just see what their pricing are. But if you can find a good one in your area, definitely recommend that you use them. Now, if you have any questions about using a local print shop that you want me to answer, just comment them down below. And if you want to learn the 5 best ways to market your print on demand business, I recommend that you check out this video right here.